Somebody come get this nigga, he smoking that shit again. Still this bitch, that shit sad, I'm finna hit again. Load it up, send him home. I'm posted up, $1 million home. 10 lines on my account, I still can't call a bitch. Ain't do it all alone, but I still need all.
Hey man, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ceophil back with another banger video, man. As y'all can see by the title, man, we getting girls' numbers without talking. Part 1 is in the books, you know what I'm saying, in Walmart, but we gonna try to double it, you know what I'm saying, do it a little better, you know what I'm saying. Got game, you know what I'm saying. Basically, you know what I'm saying, we can't talk, you know what I'm saying, we just hand them the phone and we're gonna see what it do, like Silent Ridge, basically, you know what I'm saying. So, but y'all, I'm gonna make my boys shout out themselves, you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, man, y'all already know, man, it's your boy Swaggy B, man, we in this thing, man, let's get it.
Hey man, y'all do it with me, man. Hey man, it's your boy Leno back in it, in another video today, man. Hey, part 1 was success, part 2, let's see how this goes. Okay.
It's your boy Matt from Bama, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe on this video, cause I already know. I've been peeping the whole time. Y'all ain't even did it yet. You see what I'm saying? I only know what y'all waiting for real. But we gonna run it up for sure. This part 2, like he said, part 1 was a success. We finna see how this one do.
Y'all already know who the get in, man. It's the one on little tail in a bit, man. You feel me? Look, now y'all see we look very productive today. We got these cameras out. We finna go get this content and we finna go get these numbers, man. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and run this shit up.
It's your boy the QRC, man. We in this bitch. Oh God.
Man, if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up, you know, subscribe, show love to everybody, you know what I'm saying, in the video right now. Finna make y'all laugh. No socks on. If I really join your ass, but I ain't gonna do it to you, you know what I'm saying.
Leave me the fuck alone. I swear to God, leave me alone.
Without further ado, enjoy the video. Hey man, so I see a little, you know what I'm saying, a little something over here, over yonder, so we finna see what it do. Doody doody doo. Doody doody doo. Doody doody doo. Doody doo doo.
What? Nah. What are you trying to? You trying to get my number? You can't use. Oh, you don't speak? Why not? Oh. Be fucking on me, like I can't. Okay.
Kenny, you know you mute. Come on, type it.
I am. I wasn't gonna give a nigga my number. I'm sorry. Damn, I don't even know where the fuck I went. There you go.
Hey man, we got technically we got, she ain't give me the number, she ain't give me the Instagram. You know what I'm saying? So I think we're gonna slide with that, man. So on to the next.
Yeah.
Good Lord.
Oh, I can tell that? Okay. I can tell you shit. I ain't lie, I took an L, y'all. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? That's life. So, on to the next guy, may the next man win.
Alright, shit. You see what I'm saying? I ain't have to say a word. You see what I'm saying? Yeah.
Wait, they can be caught. Yeah, I'm finna go see what they do. Walk up to the bit right here. Try to get the number. Try to get the number off the wall for the real, you feel? I don't get it. Oh, we're not doing it. Damn, this nigga all over me.
You don't even know my name. You mute.
Appreciate it. Oh, y'all know that I ain't big fucking doors off the rip, man, you feel me? And y'all heard she say I don't even know her name. I really don't know her motherfucking name, but do it. I'm finna get to know her motherfucking name. You feel me? You feel me? Like, all I had to do was just walk up to her and I just, just do that right there, you feel me? That shit, like, I'm gonna tell you, you feel me? Like, this shit, it ain't even that hard, you feel me? What the fuck? That's your phone, like shit. I'm gonna try to cut their ass off.
Yeah, like y'all was hella close. That's how you get shot.
We don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't.
Don't do that. Get me. Get me.
Damn, but we can't talk. But we can't talk, so I can't even. It look, bro, oh my mama, it looking weird as fuck, cause we can't talk, bro. This shit is ridiculous, bro. Like, I couldn't get their attention, so like, I was doing it. What the fuck do I do? Nigga, we scared the fuck out their ass, bro. Like, I don't know what to do, cause I can't get their fucking attention on some shit. Damn, it's all good though. On to the next one, man.
DJ, we right here. DJ, we right here with you.
This a YouTube video? Yes, it is.
Shut up.
Okay.
He recording.
Oh, shit.
Yes, sir, ski. Put her in the chat, you know what I'm saying?
Hey man, so we got a 4-piece nugget, you know what I'm saying? Over yonder, you feel me? So that what it do.
La 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 la.
Hey, y'all boys ain't nervous, right? Y'all boys ain't nervous, ain't it? Hey man. You know what I'm saying? At this point, this shit too easy. At this point, it's too easy. I know who I got. Who you got? Who you got? Who you got?
At this point, this shit too easy.
Yo, what is this? I'll get out my number. Bro, what the fuck are y'all doing? Whatever. I'm saying, bro.
No cap.
I got a puzzle. Yeah. There it is. There you go. Okay. I don't want this number.
What the fuck, hell no? What the fuck? Oh, this ain't where is Theo?
Yeah. It's only my third day out here. I don't know.
Thugs in the motherfucking chat, you know what I'm saying? It's too easy. It's too easy. You know what I'm saying? It's too easy. It's too easy. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga, I got the
Wendy's 4 for 4. We got it. Nah, thanks.
Oh, mom.
Hey man, you got it. Done deal, done daughter.
Who you got?
On to the next. What you gotta do?
Okay, who?
Do what you gotta do.
It gotta be somebody new. Like, I already. Oh. I don't think she go. Can I get your number? Can I get your number? Okay.
Bro, what the fuck what did you just say?
Oh.
Yeah, got that though.
Thank you.
You got some niggas coming right here?
Let me get right. Let me get right. Let me get right. Let me get right. Oh shit. Damn. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? We 3 for 3, dude. You did. Yo, we ride. We ride. Oh shit. Oh.
Huh? Oh my god. You tell? Like you can't stop that shit. I don't get it. You don't have to post. my job right.
I couldn't talk, but I can talk now.
What's good, sir?
Where you can talk. Oh, I gotta get this over. What she say? She said,
Fuck out of here with that shit.
maybe when you can talk. Dang. Hey, at least you got a real heart, though.
Is it recording? Are you recording? No, he recording. What's this? Wait, asking for her number. Are you asking? Is she being punked? No, he's asking for her number. I'm not laughing at you. I'm just laughing at the way that you're I don't like this. Oh, this guy. It's okay. The camera right there. Oh. I feel like ain't no way he permission shit to use.
That's enough.
Woo!
Nice shit.
That shit was just funny. What? Oh, okay.
Alright. Have a good day.
Right, you didn't even say excuse me.
I ain't gonna lie.
I'm proud of everyone doing their shit and not you, girl, huh? I'm talking everyone, yeah, 'cause you fucking